In this guide, I'll show you how to delete your PlayStation Network account permanently. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and then in search you want to type in how to close PSN account and search. From here, you can scroll down in this section, and we're going to be going to this PlayStation.com link, how to close your account for PlayStation Network. Now on this page, it's going to tell you in order to close your account, you need to have your sign-in ID email address, as well as the online ID for PlayStation Network. Now, if you're wondering what happens when you close your account, the closed account's online ID cannot be used for another account, as well as you're going to lose access to any content purchased on said account, in addition to losing access to any of your subscriptions and associated entitlements. You're also going to lose access to any of the funds you currently have in your PlayStation Network account. So if you want to go through with this process, scroll down on this page, and you're going to go to Contact PlayStation Support. Now in this section, you can simply scroll down on this next page, and then you can access live chat where you'll be able to go through the steps to fully close your account. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.